The delivery of fuel is both an art and a science, where careful hands and experience ensure that the exchange goes smoothly. But on the road to Prudhoe Bay, death lurks at every corner. A constant reminder of the importance of caution and care in this crucial process. Beneath the vast Arctic sky, AFD's most experienced drivers traverse this 12-hour journey 3 times a week. Their trucks like silent sentinels, illuminating the peaceful and endless expanse of the Arctic tundra. Yet, in an instant, the serene beauty can morph into a raging, frozen hellscape. As hurricane-like winds whip across the Arctic Ocean, and the tranquil landscape is swallowed by blinding snow, reminding these modern-day pioneers of nature's swift and merciless fury. What was supposed to be a 12-hour journey, 24 hours later, AFD's bright yellow truck emerges as a beacon of hope. Its vibrant hue, a steadfast reminder to the men and women of Prudhoe Bay that resilience and determination can conquer even the fiercest storms. As the last leg of the journey reveals itself, it marks another triumphant exchange, weaving a tapestry of trust and satisfaction. Another happy AFD customer, just another day at AFD.